A U.S. division has been ambushed by the GLA in the Hindu Kush Mountains. Our forces are falling back with the GLA in close pursuit. Take command of a small Comanche base near Salang to cover the retreat. Do your best, General.
Enemy contacts confirmed. They're moving in fast.
Maintain formation.
Right on us. Return fire. Where's our air cover?
Alpha 3, report. What's your status?
Charlie 3 is down. Someone get those buggies off us. We need more support. Close ranks. Chewing us up. All units, keep up the fire. Down tough. Stay in formation.
Charlie 2 to base. We need
I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it.
General, USA forces are fleeing through this area. Use Comanches to defend our troops and help them to escape. Destroy as many GLA pursuit vehicles as you can.
Charlie to airbase. The GLA are right behind us. We can sure use your help.
Air cover's on the way.
Clear for takeoff, American 2004.
Comanche here.
GLA inbound. Take out as many as you can, General.
Gunship reporting in. Flying low. Visibility clear. Air cover's on the way. Flying low. Air cover's on the way. Air cover's on the way. Comanche here. Gunship reporting in.
Clear for takeoff, American 2004.
Gunship reporting in.
Thanks for the cover fire. Casualties minimal. Moving to the rear.
Gunship reporting in.
New contact. More of our men are inbound, General.
Laying the foundation. Keep 'em busy.
Frequency's open. Nav system set.
Lasers out of the
Comms. Open fire.
They're moving too fast. Give them
Moving to
everything
new
we've
AO.
got.
Flying low.
Some of the GLA are breaking off pursuit to hit our base, sir. We must hold our position.
Moving to new AO. Making a sweep.
Clear for takeoff, American 2004.
New
Comanche
contacts.
here.
Get them off us, sir.
Flying low. Air
Rocket
cover's
pods
on
are
the
now
way.
available, sir.
Have a job for me? Going up.
Gunship reporting in.
How about a lift?
Thanks for the cover fire.
detail
Charlie
reporting.
out.
You're off to a good start, sir.
Proceeding to target
75
zone.
still to
Heavy
go.
armor ready for action. Anywhere you say, sir. Crusader tank responding. Taking new ground. Heavy armor ready for action. Clearing terrain.
Yes,
Gunship
sir. Reporting in. Frequencies open. Comanche here. Yes, sir.
Low power.
Finished.
More friendlies en route, General. Maintain air cover for our retreating forces.
Flying low.
What's the story?
Gunship reporting in.
Made in the U.S. of A.
In the field. Air cover's on the way. Visibility clear.
Unit lost.
Nav system set. Moving to new AO. Frequencies open. Nav system set.
Want to make some improvements? On the job.
Clear for takeoff, American 2004.
In the field. Gunship reporting in.
Excellent
That
work,
one's
General.
done.
Another 50 to go.
Frequencies open. Air cover's on the way.
Clocked in. Loud and clear.
Comanche here.
More of our men are inbound.
Moving to new AO.
We're out of supplies over here.
One
Unit
set in the
lost.
air. Our cannons are picking us up,
Visibility
sir.
clear. Flying low. Air cover's on the way. Visibility clear. Nav system set.
General, our base is under attack.
Visibility clear.
Unit lost.
Visibility clear. Flying low.
Hang in there, sir. Another 25 to go. We're almost there, sir. 10 more to go. Great job, General. This was the last of the retreat column. The GLA will be making the final approach into the largest from our position. We need to hold.
Nav system set.
Unit lost.
Our base is under attack.
Visibility clear. Nav system set.
You are victorious.